So today, we're gonna be doing some fall arts and crafts. But don't worry, I'm still using like a $70,000 laser cutter because it is still me after all. So let's get designing. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Beauty and the Bold. So it is currently 11:27 a.m. on October 3rd, and I woke up on October 1st and was like, crap, I have no fall videos planned. And that's incredibly irresponsible of me. I should fix that. I apologize for the fact that I haven't posted a video in a while. I promise I'm trying to get better about it, but sometimes life gets really hard. So I had to make this project super quick, and it kind of encapsulates all of the feelings that I have right now. So yeah, here's our autumn project, and it's a wreath. Oh, and do you like our scenery? So we're currently at Ingenuity Cleveland, which is our new home, and it is filled with beautiful, like, interactive set pieces like this. I just tried to find the most autumn-themed one, but hopefully all of our future videos will have stuff like this.
So the first thing I did here is design the wreath part, and choose my text, which is "Leave me alone," because that is my current mood. The font I used is called Bernadette, and it does connect most of the letters, but I just went in and connected any letters that weren't already connected, and then created outlines so that I had a vector just tracing the entire exterior of the letters. And then for the leaves, I did my normal trick, and I just vector outlined random leaves I found on Google Images and liked, and that was it.
Alright, so like, of freaking course, I haven't set up this laser cutter yet, which means that we are taking a field trip to our old office, because also, here's the arts and crafts bin. If I open it, I cannot find my acrylic paint anywhere, which means that it somehow got left behind during the move, and I need to go look at it. So, yeah, field trip time. Can you tell how pleased I am? This was supposed to be such a fast, easy project, and yet here we are spending an hour finding acrylic paint. Yay! All right, let's see what we can find. Oh, there it is. Art box that somehow didn't make the move. All right, let's do this again.
So then I went upstairs and used ThinkBox's Epilogue laser cutter and laser cut my file because mine wasn't set up yet. And you'll notice here that I did rearrange the leaves a little bit to fit more of them onto that sheet, and that updated file is down in the description below. So the Makerspace just got a new laser cutter, and I think it's having some vacuum issues because it was very flamey and there was too much air, and so it charred and some of the letters broke. I'll make them thicker for the file down in the description below, but I just decided to hot glue mine and roll with it.
All right, so we're back, and I have my pile of leaves. My plan is just to put all the leaves on my Leave Me Alone and roll with it, but I want to give it a little splash of color, and I wanted to do like some nice wood stains, but wood stains are expensive, and I want to show you what I think will work as a cheaper alternative. Pick out some colors that I want. I'm gonna do your classic autumn, you know, red, orange, yellow. I think I'm gonna do like a green in there. That looks nice. Okay, so let's get painting. These are all my colors, and actually I'm gonna move you over here so that you get a better view. This first one is red. You can't have fall without red. So all that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this red paint and squeeze it. Wow, that's clumpy and gross. I've had these paints for years. You can tell how much I do art. And what I'm basically gonna do is just water down this paint to make it runny. That seems good. Let's try it.
Also, you should try hitting that subscribe button.
So I kind of just want to try this and see what the consistency is like. So I'm gonna take a maple leaf and just brush it on. So it's a gentle stain. I can't believe I'm saying this, I almost think it needs more pigment. But I want it to still be wood. I want it to be barely there. What do I do? I am crippled with indecision. Haha, I'm gonna procrastinate and do the next color. All right, so now you get the idea with the whole paint mixing thing. I'm gonna zoom out. Boop. So you can get the whole picture. Let's do that thing where time goes faster, faster, faster. All right, so now that these are all painted up, I just have to glue them all down. So I'm gonna arrange them how I like, and then I'm gonna hot glue them. Here's what she looks like now, but I need to remove this tape on the back. We're gonna make it work. Ouch, 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 ouch. Guess who just burned herself? You guessed it. All right, so this is not gonna be the most graceful. Hopefully it won't be super visible. That's just my big fear, is that y'all are gonna look at it and be like, ugh, this idiot clearly hot glued this back together.
I really wasn't planning on it, but I really need to make the colors pop a little bit more, so I used some spray-on polyurethane.
So here's the final wreath with the coat of polyurethane, and I'm really excited. It came out, I was a little worried about it halfway through, but I secretly added a second coat of the stain with the same acrylic paints off camera, and I think that it brought out the colors a lot, made it a lot more punchy. And if I were to do it again, I would definitely like be way more heavy-handed with the color and get it to like really pop. Was digging around looking for glitter because I was like, ooh, glitter would make this pop a little better. And instead I found these fairy lights that we have from the Hercules project like way back when. So I'm just gonna wrap them around this and see if I can make it a little more festive. And then I'm gonna hang it on my door. All right, I just hot glued the battery packs to the back. That's it. So, yay. All right, so I'll admit it's like 6:30, but I had a doctor's appointment an hour away and I had lunch with a friend and I'm done. So really, this project is so simple and so easy, and let's hang it up, see what happens. How's it going, Foxy? Pretty good? Pretty good? Good. Don't mind me, I'm just hanging up my new decorations over here. Ha, perfect, perfect. All right, well, I guess I'll just, feels like home, feels like home. Hey, how are you doing? Pretty good? Good, good. Do you like my wreath? No? Ugh, leave me alone.